Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing the something went wrong error in Goodnotes, it usually means the app failed to complete an action due to connection issues, sync problems, or temporary glitch. This error is common and usually easy to fix. So first thing first, check your internet connection. So turn Wi-Fi off and on, try a different network, or disable VPN if enabled, because this is the most common cause. Okay, you can also force close and reopen the app. So close, for example, Goodnotes, okay, completely from your device, like remove it from recent apps, and then after that reopen it. This fixes temporary glitches. You can also log out and log back in. So go to settings in Goodnotes, sign out, and then sign or log back in. So this refreshes your session. Okay, you can check iCloud sync. So go to settings, for example, okay, like this. I'm not talking about the settings of the app, the settings of your device as a whole. Tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, and make sure iCloud Drive is on and Goodnotes is enabled. Okay, so sync issues often trigger this error. You can also update the app. So open App Store, search for Goodnotes, and tap updates. Okay, so this fixes known bugs. Okay, so restart your device. So this is another fix. For example, turn your device off and on and then retry again. So this clears system level issues. You can check storage space. So make sure you have free storage, because low storage can cause failures. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.